Imagine this. You wake up one day, check your phone, and boom, you've just been selected to move to the United States. That moment can change your entire life. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Every year, thousands of people lose this opportunity, not because they weren't lucky, but because they made simple mistakes or got scammed. And before we start, listen carefully. DV Lottery 2027 is still not announced yet by the U.S. Department of State. If you see anyone online saying, "Apply now for DV 2027, that is a scam. The DV Lottery is only done on the official website. It is free, no agent, no shortcut, no payment required. Don't lose your chance before it even starts." When the official announcement comes out, here's exactly how to apply the right way. Step 1. Go only to the official DV Lottery website of the U.S. Department of State. No other website is real. Step 2. Fill in your personal details carefully. Your name must match your passport exactly. One small difference can cost you later. Step 3. Upload the correct photo. White background, recent photo, no editing. This is where many people fail. Step 4. Education. You must have at least high school education or qualifying work experience. Step 5. Include your family. Spouse and all children under 21 must be listed, even if they are not traveling. Step 6. Submit and save your confirmation number. No confirmation number equals no result check. Simple as that. Applying more than once, instant disqualification. Using wrong or edited photo, the system will catch it. Not including a spouse or child. This is a big one. Wrong personal information, name, date of birth mismatch equals visa denial. Trusting fake agents or websites, this is how many people lose money and their chance. Again, DV 2027 is not open yet. If someone asks you to apply now or pay money, run. You can't control luck, but you can be smart. Apply every year. Consistency matters. If you're married, both of you apply. Double the chance. Avoid mistakes. Many people eliminate themselves. Use the correct photo. Don't take risks here. Stay updated only from official announcements, not social media rumors. Your future can change with one correct application, but it can also disappear with one small mistake or one scam. So stay alert, stay informed, and when DV 2027 officially opens, be ready. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this information. And tell me in the comments, were you about to fall for a DV scam?